Who says we can't garden at night? My gosh, I have not even taken off my uniform since I came home from work, and I'm in the garden trying to get things up and running, so tomorrow morning I can even have a lie-in, or things will be much easier in the garden. So guys, enjoy my lights. Yes, you can garden at night, definitely. These lights, I got them from Amazon, and it really and truly lights up the garden, you know. They make the garden bright. We can do little work at night, you know. Know that winter is coming, so night come down very quick. So these lights really help me. So this is one of my my pollinators. You know, the bees love this, and I definitely it's getting, you know, when it's getting really pink, you see how pink it is, and the bees just sit on it and they pollinate the chocho. So I always keep this close to the chocho, but it needs some water, so I'm going to put some water on it. And it's almost midnight now, so I'm going to make some Lantana tea before bedtime. So I'll put a link for these lights in the bottom of the description box, so in case you want to garden at night, you see all these colorless seeds, you can start picking, you can do anything. Isn't it? Gardening at night is wonderful. It's relaxing. It takes your mind, put your mind at ease. It's just chill because it's not that cold yet, but honestly, give it a try. You'll love it. Gardening at night. Take care. Oh wow, I fancy a Lantana tea today, and I just picked some chili peppers. I'm going to use it to cook these potatoes. I got some potatoes. Look, I managed to get some potatoes today. Wow, isn't that beautiful? Yep. I didn't get a lot, so whatever I got, I give thanks. So hey guys, good morning. How are you today? I'm well excited. I'm going to share something with you, and guess what it is? It's not callaloo, it's not the chocho, it's not the peppers. What do you think? Anyway, my name is Donna, and I'm here in London. I'm a girl that works as a gas engineer in the day, and people question me, you know, where me find the time. I even question myself, where me find the time to do all this work here in the garden. Where you get the time to do all this work, you know, all this work in the garden. Where she get the time from, I don't know. Anyway, I'm in the garden. I water, I clean, I do everything. But I just get a parcel from Amazon, and I want to share it with you guys. Yes, we want to share it because I came up with an idea last night. Because, you know, I made this new thing for the garden, the chocho walk. This is a chocho walk, and the chocho walk has a harbor. So above me, you'll see chochos hanging down. Soon, yeah, definitely, you're going to see chocho hanging down soon. So I came up with the idea last night while I was on here, pottering and, you know, picking the leaves off the peppers and tying up my gungo peas and, you know, fixing up the place to make it look good and, you know, for when people come to visit. And then this idea come to mind. Guess what it is, guys? Come, we're going to unbox it. We're going to unbox it. But tell me, you don't know what it is? I don't think you don't know. Excitement. We're going to unbox it. me unbox it. So see, one box. You know, Amazon send everything in a whole per box. But this now wasting on this, I go on my compost, because this I go make soil the next year, yeah? I'm just gonna rip it up like that. And put it on the compost seed and make soil. So this now waste. Show that over this one. See the next one here. Guess what? Ta-da-da-da-da-da. 1, 2, 3. Open. Look. I am going to have lights under my chocho walk. So I am going to run these lights. Yes. Look. It is lights so I can stay under the chocho walk and enjoy picking the chochos at night and even having a cup of tea under the chocho. So I am going to, and it even have a remote control, and hardly ever get them send any batteries. Look, I get batteries with it. You ever see that yet? I hardly ever see them send any batteries. I get remote so I can turn it off from inside. So yeah, and I think they send 2 extra bulbs. So guys, this is called, wait there, let me forget what it's my outdoor lights for my chocho. So I'm going to run it here. So I'm going to show you how I'm going to do it. So it's going to run underneath. I'm going to bring it in the center so it look good. So I'm going to plug it in and run it. So let me attach some of it up. Hold on. Let me undo it and then show you. It look like me could have do it too. And probably can do it different colors too, not true? Yeah, but see here, look at it. So the lights should look nice underneath. Right, okay. I think this goes. What's this? This is the end of it. So I think it's I think this, it can it's waterproof, definitely. I think that's one of the good thing. So if what I'm going to do, hold on, is let's put it up. Let's put that one up this one and put that one over this one. I'm going to run it along here. I think I might need things to tie, you know, what them call it, the thingy, those black thing. You know what I mean? They tie something them and attach it to under here. You see? So let me run it up and see. We have some of them. I know exactly where they are. I'll show you. So look. So I'll run it from inside. Didn't that look good? Yeah. So yeah man, see, let me just go and tie it up. So anyway, let me finish it up and then we'll come back and show you. And even when the light is on. Alright, let me go and run it up for you. So look, I have my stool, my little ladder to go on. Yeah. That's it. And I have the tie thing there. See them there? I roll it for them. So yes, so just go and use one and see how it goes. So use one and see how it goes. So I'm going to tie it up on this. Let's put it on like that. Yeah. You see? You see what I'm saying? See it there? And it holds it up. This is me has sense, not you? Me has sense, man. Me has sense. Oh, me I pull them off. So we're going to finish tie them up, and then you're going to see how you're going to see when we turn on the light later on. You're going to see. Right, so if I stick like that now, so see. See it there. So you're going to see chocho under the So one done already. And even if there's more bulbs left, I'll bring it. So I'll double it so it looks much better as well. So it might be that I haven't measured how much, but I think I'll be alright. I think I'll be okay. I think I'll be okay. I think I will be okay. It's taking over this series. I need something to hold that back. The plants are in the way, so I'm trying to get them all. Let's see. Oh gosh, it's so tough, isn't it? These are plants are sedum. These are what the bees love, guys. You see these plants here? The bees love them. I'm trying to so see that? The bees love them. Right, so I'm excited, so I'm sure you are. Let me finish and then we come back. The lights are up. I'm just showing you. So I took it from this end to here and I brought it so I'll be able to sit under here because I've got a chair there. There's a chair. I'll just sit right there. But then I'll be able to see under here at nights because you have different options of growing. I mean, not growing. The lights have different. You can turn it down and you can have it very bright. So definitely I'll have bright. So yes, my chochos that are growing at the moment I'll be able to enjoy sitting around here under here. Oh, there's a twin chocho there. So here under the chocho walk, that's the most important thing for me. And sitting and watch the garden and the bees and everything. So yes, I'll turn on the lights and show you. And then even here, so you see, so I run it and it run on the fence and it goes there. So I'll just plug it in from the back door. So yes, so even on the front, let me see, you could be able to see from the front. Yes, so there's some lights there, so even at the front. And I feel like I should get another one to make it very bright. So let's see. Anyway, should be all right. It should be okay. But yes, the garden is doing fine, guys. The garden is fine. There's a lot of peppers growing at the moment. Yep. So anyway, let's turn on the light and you get to see the whole excitement of me having lights on the chocho walk. I can't wait to turn it on. Probably I should turn it on now and then turn it on later so you see it now and later. Let me do that. There are the lights, guys, but you don't want to see it until later. They're pretty, don't you? I got pretty lights. See it there? Excitement. There are lights. Ooh. It's pretty, isn't it? Right, so let's wait for tonight to see how the lights will look. Right? And then that will be it. I've got the lights shining right where you can see all the fruits. So this is the lights, guys. Isn't it looking wonderful? It adds a difference to the garden. It does. So I just wanted to show you what it looks like at night. Yes. So this is the entrance to the chocho walk. So you can see I can pick my chochos. Yeah. There it is. So it looks good. Looks really good. So I can see my fruits at night and pick them. It's just a nice difference to the garden. It does. You can see. Wow. Really? Is this nighttime? So the garden does look good at night. Really does. It's a nice view even from my shed. when you sit back and look at the plants, it looks beautiful even at night. Beautiful. So guys, I bought this on Amazon. I can put the link in so you can check it out if you're interested in having lights at night in your garden. And it can make you have some time to work, sit, relax, and reflect. Thank you.